Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rajshekar. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for insights and strategies based on Gann analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today I'll be sharing my views with the current market scenario, and I'll be sharing the key levels for tomorrow and the time cycles which is coming ahead. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, if you have not seen my previous video, I would recommend please watch my previous video. I'll attach to the iCard. Now I'll quickly jump to the point where I discussed about the previous cycles and also my view with respect to the previous video. Now in the previous video, when I made the video, this price was here, which is Nifty. It was here, and I had given my view that it might give a bounce, and it did give a bounce, and it went back and made a new high, and then all of this started. Now, why this started and why this was a correction in as per the previous video, it's all based on the price cycles which I discussed earlier. So now I'll give you a quick recap. So there are two cycles which is running. One is from 2020 low. This was the target, and I'd also mentioned I will not be sharing the targets above this if it goes up, because you would not believe. That is what I had said. Now, what was the target? It was 27,379. And these are all extended targets of the 2020 rally, which is a bull run. Now this was your actual target. These are all your extended targets. It made till the middle of the extended target. Now this is one reason for this correction which is coming. Now another reason, this is the target, extended target, final target of 2008. Okay. Now before I come back to 2020 cycles, I'll quickly give you a view about the cycles. Now from 2008, this was the midpoint of the long-term bull cycle, and this was the long-term bull cycle target. Now this blue square, whatever you are seeing, anything above this is your long-term bull cycle target from 2008. So this was the actual reason for this first sell-off which came here, which was in July. Now this gave a medium-term correction, and it survived and went back, continued its journey to complete its final target. Now from here, it went up, completed its bull run, and from here the correction came. Right now, as I had repeated in many of my videos, everything starts with the short term, then a medium term, and then the long term bear cycle or a bull cycle. Now inside this long term bull cycle, we are in a bear cycle now. Okay. Now this bear cycle, is it temporary or is it going to extend? Let's see the probabilities. Now whatever has happened, see from here it made a top. This is also again a medium term bull cycle because of this top. Right? Every top can create another top, every bottom can create another top also, bottom also. Right? This bottom can create one more bottom here also. So you need to be aware of it, because price does not move from support and resistance. It moves from one side of the square to another side of the square in 3 dimension in the cube. Right? So cube will not be flat. Cube is a space. Okay, space, time, all of this. Now coming back to this, see from here, whatever is happening right now, this is till here, it was short term correction. Now if this gets extended, there will be an extended target, and if that gets extended, it will activate the medium term bear cycle which we have reached. Now when we reached here last 2 weeks back, it went back, and this rise was again sold. Now what was the exact reason for this exact range? This was your short term bull cycle which gave a bounce. Now if it had extended, we would have gone back to the midpoint of this medium term bear cycle, and then it would have come down because of this 45 degrees geometrical angle which you are seeing there, which is this one, right? So now we are in a situation where if it has to go up, you have to clear this geometrical angle also, right? Now with the current scenario, what exactly is happening? We have just come out of the medium term final target, extended target actually. Okay. Now if we continue to stay below this, then it will activate the long-term bear cycle, which can reach to this midpoint of medium-term bear cycle. And the final target for medium-term bear cycle would be this. Now, will it come straight like this in one day? It depends on time. How time favors, whom time favors, whether bulls or bears. It depends on time, and you need to be clear with the price trend, all of this. See, with respect to time cycles, okay, before we get back to time cycles, let's continue this. See, now this is an important place where things can change. Now, two things: don't jump directly and take big shots, because if it gets back inside this angle, which is coming from 2020, it can again travel back. Now, this is a situation who are entering shots now. Whoever has entered shots from here or from here, as per my telegram, I shared my TSL from the top. First was here, then was here. Now today we have shifted the TSL to this point. Now, if you are short from the beginning of this time cycle, we started from October, you can stay. Now, whoever is entering shorts, you have to wait. If you enter, this should be your stop loss that you need to remember. Now, this value, whatever you are seeing today, is the value of 20th geometrical price with respect to time. Now, price has reached before time, which is today, 13th. So it has reached before time, right? So till then, what can happen? It can go up to the past time, which is 6th November, right? See this arrow, 6th November. So before that, 12th November, which is yesterday, okay? This is 12th November. This high and this low will be your time support and resistance. If we clear this, it can come till here. If it fails, again, it can fall, right? So time cycles right now, it is in negative. Why am I saying negative? See, earlier till September, every dip, time was offering support, and price was traveling from present to past, past to future. Okay. Now, what is happening? I'll quickly give you just try to understand. Okay. See, this was 1st of October. I'm talking about the October time cycles, which are shared 1st of October. This is the origin of the bear cycle, which triggered the time cycle, bear time cycle. Now, from here, the next date was 9th. So till 9th, it was down. This was 9th. See, from 1st till 9th, it was down. 9th, it went back and it stopped on 15th October, which was next time. 15th October stopped the up move and it sent it down, breaking the previous time support till 21st of October. So this was 21st October. Where is 21st October? This was your 21st October. See, now any bounce that time again created trouble, because this low of 15th October was the one reason for this to not to allow it to move up. Again, it went down, breaking the time support. So this is the indication that time is negative. Time is running in negative cycles. So whenever the positive time cycle breaks the time resistance, it will activate the positive time cycle. Now we are running in the negative time cycle. See, every date it is making a top. Now coming after completing the October time cycle, the last date was 29th of October, which was here. See, again after 29th, it went down. Again, it came back to the past time on November 6th, which is your present time cycle. This is what I was saying. Previous time resistance will, if it does not allow, it will create a resistance and it will push it down. Now, there was no support. This was 29. Yeah, this was 29. It created resistance on 6th. And from 6th, what was the next date? Next date was 12th. So again, this was 12th, which pushed it down. Now we are trading below the past time also and the past support also, which could have saved this bull run. Now we have broken that, and now we are trading below this, and the next date is 18th November. So which is here. Okay, so 18th will be on Monday. Okay, now one more thing, see this price value is geometrical time value of 20th. Okay, now price has reached time value before time, means price is ahead of time. Now this is a tricky part. It can give a bounce, or it can get into consolidation, or it can go down till the next time, which is 18th, and it may come back to this. These are all possibilities. Now what's important is, if we get inside this medium term bear cycle, whichever is active now, if it comes back above this, there is a possibility we might touch this midpoint before the next sell off. So that you need to keep in mind. Now, as I said, whoever is short, stay short. Fresh shorts, be careful. Okay, that is one. Second, let's say for example, if it continues, if the now trend anyway is down in all time frames. When I made the previous video, trend was positive, at least in the higher time frame in Nifty. That was the reason it went up. Now we have broken all the trend on every time frame. So this is a concern. Now this is our immediate support, which is an important support, which is long term midpoint, right? Around 23,200, 23,000. If we clear this, you should be prepared for this angle and this price. Okay, I hope you guys followed. Now another thing, it will be easy for you to understand the views if you are in the Telegram, which is free. So I would recommend please join my Telegram channel, so that I give the live views in the live market. See, all of the dates were given before in hand, and I've already shared the future dates also in the shorts and in the reels also. Okay, so if you want these kind of videos, and if you want more information, please comment, and I would appreciate if you give a like, so that even I also get motivated and I feel like doing videos, right? So I hope you understand. So I hope I get maximum likes. Now I'll quickly share for tomorrow what exactly you can plan. See, now we have broken this support, which we had held for some till last few sessions, and we have broken this. So tomorrow, wherever it opens, see, if it opens below, it's clear cut. It can go down to these levels, which is 23,450, 23,386, and if these two breaks, you can expect these levels by end of this week. If it does not break this, you may see a rise till this level. If it clears, this is your next opportunity, which is your past support. Okay, this is an important level. Till the time you don't clear this, don't expect any rise. So any low it creates, this will be your immediate resistance. If it clears, this will be your next resistance. So if it opens in between, then I would recommend wait till it reaches here, or till it reaches here for next move. See, all of this depends on how it opens and how the momentum picks up. Okay, now these are the levels. You can make note of it and trade accordingly. I wish you good luck. Okay, a quick update on Bank Nifty also, my view. So this Bank Nifty is also same story. We are at this level, and this is an important support, and this is your next important values. See, the same story again. This went up till the bull cycle target of midpoint, which was 180 degrees. From there, it failed, and it has come back to zero now. Now, if this fails, there will be a negative cycle in this also, right? Now, if the negative cycle gets activated, what is the story? See, now we are in the short-term bear correction of Bank Nifty, and if we break this, what is the target? You can expect these targets in coming sessions. It is not 1 day or 2 days. I'm talking about few weeks or months. So if we break, this is your next target. If we don't break, it might consolidate here, and when it reaches to higher levels again, if it gives a sell-off, we might reach these levels in the future. Okay. Okay. So I'll quickly share my view for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, these are the levels. You can make note of this. These are your important levels based on mathematics. Now we are, as I said, this is an important support. This is like make or break. If it sustains, we might expect intraday up move till this level. If this clears this level, and we might see some selling pressure between these two levels again towards the downside. If we open below this, then you can expect these levels for intraday. So if it opens in the middle, I would recommend wait for these levels to come, or at least a sell signal, clear sell signal on 15 minutes. Okay. So please share your comments and like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Wish you good luck. I would like to see you in the Telegram for live updates. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Now,